Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is just a very short video, really just to feature this photograph that you're looking at on your screen. Now this photograph that you are looking at on your screen is as rare as the sighting of the Loch Ness monster in Scotland, or the abominable snowman in the Himalayas. So this is a sighting of President Obasanjo in a suit. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, President Olusegun Obasanjo in a suit. I cannot recall the last time I saw President Obasanjo in a suit. I cannot even recall if I've ever seen President Obasanjo in a suit. So as I said, a sight as rare as the sighting of the Loch Ness monster in Scotland, or the abominable snowman in wherever he is that is being abominable. He's even wearing a smile, which he does fairly regularly, but wearing a suit though, you can see how he looks in a suit. They say in Yoruba land that butter onshonje obo, which translates to mean that butter is not something that you feed to a monkey, and this really describes that quite aptly. So Obasanjo in a suit, this is a rare sighting, and it's something obviously that I had to bring to your attention. So what do you make of this? A dyed-in-the-wool Yoruba man wearing a suit. What is this world turning into? Just a fun little one, nothing to get too carried away with. We don't have to throw daggers at each other over this one. It's just a jokey little video of a sighting of President Obasanjo in a suit, which is a rare sight. So conversations in the comment section, as I said. But before you come have that conversation with me, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well. That way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come have a chat with me about this fun little thing, this rare sighting of Obasanjo in a suit, in the comment section. Let me know what you are making of it. So I'll leave you here. Meet you in the comment section. But here I say peace.